This video is all about submitting Power Learning goals into school pathways and naming them correctly. So there will be 16 submissions throughout the whole school year, 8 the first semester and 8 the second semester. Each submission will follow one bullet point. The naming system is based off of the core subject, so it's going to be LA for language arts, MA for math, SS for social studies, and SC for science. So when naming a file, you're going to start with the core subject. So in this case, I would do LA, and if I was doing the first goal, I would do LA1. As a parent, you are going to grade your students' work before you upload it into school pathways, and right at the top of it, what grade they received, whether it's a pass or a fail, or if you want to give them a percentage, if you want to give them 8 out of 10, and then I can decide that that's an 80%. We do go off of a pass-fail basis, so students will either pass or fail their submission. So once your students' work is all complete and there's a grade written at the top, you'll go into school pathways and submit their work. And you'll do this by clicking on the subject that you'd like. So we were just in language arts, so we're going to click view assignments. And here you'll see all the modules for the school year. So this is the whole first semester because there's 8 submissions, 8 modules. These go in order. So the first submission would be into module 1, so on and so forth. If you ever get confused, you can always look at the date. It will tell you the date of the submission right here. So if I were to submit my very first assignment into module 1, I would click on this little green plus sign. This will open up the comment box and a place to upload. If you click on this green button here, it'll open up your files. You can choose a file and upload. Now, if you don't want to name your actual file LA1 because you did Language Arts Power Learning Goal 1, you can just write here in the comment box to me, LA1. You can also put if it's a pass or a fail. Anything above 75% is a pass, and anything below 75% would be failing. Make sure that after you have uploaded your submission and that you have written this comment, you may even add some more comments about the student's work, what they did, how it meets the goal, just a little explanation. Then you're going to click on this send message. And that's how you're going to submit the work. So this is the system that I would like to use throughout the remainder of the year. Writing down which Power Learning goal it is in the comment box or on the file, and then also writing in whether it is a pass or a fail. If you have not done this on submission 1 and submission 2, please go back through and make sure that they are done correctly. Otherwise, I cannot keep accurate records. Thank you.